10 unknown facts about Hiten Tejwani. First, Hiten Tejwani is a prominent Indian actor known primarily for his work in Hindi television serials. Second, Hiten Tejwani was born on 5th March 1974 in Mumbai, Maharashtra, into a Sindhi Hindu family. Third, Hiten Tejwani's education includes graduating from Jai Hind College with a BCom in Commerce and attending St. Francis de Assisi High School for his earlier education. Fourth, he was previously married but went through a divorce. In 2001, he married actress Gauri Pradhan on 29th April 2004. The couple are parents to twins, a son named Nevan and a daughter named Katya, born on 11th November 2009. Fifth, Hiten Tejwani began his acting career playing the role of Gautam in TV serial Ghar Ek Mandir in 2000. Sixth, Hiten Tejwani's acting career is extensive with well-known roles in soap operas such as कसौटी जिंदगी की, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, कुमकुम, एक प्यारा सा बंधन and रंग बदलती ओढ़नी. Seventh, he has also appeared in popular reality shows including Nach Baliye and Bigg Boss. Eighth, Hiten Tejwani's debut film was Joggers Park 2003. Ninth, furthermore, Hiten also worked in Bollywood movies including Vastav, Krishna Cottage and Entertainment. 10th, Hiten's TV debut occurred in 2000 with the serial Ghar Ek Mandir. Subscribe the channel.